boys and girls, welcome to the beginning of the year in reading. This year we are going to learn how to read and write, and one of the things we need to do to learn how to read and write is review our alphabet. And the alphabet is amazing because it's just 26 letters, and when you put them all together, you can squish them all together, put them together, they make every single word. So when we learn all of these sounds, we're going to be able to read everything. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review our letter names and our letter sounds. Let's do it together. Ready, set, let's go. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Your activity this week is to look at the letters and their sounds and to match the pictures that go along with it. We have an elephant, a cat, an apple, a frog, a basketball, and a dog. Which one makes the same beginning sound? Let's try a dog. A, B, K, no, D. Wait, let me see. D, dog, D. That's right, dog. That one goes under the D. You're going to do that with every one. We have a hat, a kite, juice, a lion, goat, igloo, pizza, mouse, rainbow, nest, octopus, queen, turtle, vacuum, snake, umbrella, yo-yo, zebra, xylophone, and watermelon. Well, what do I do if I can't complete my work on a computer? Don't worry, I'll show you what to do. What you're going to need to do is grab out your notebook and a pencil. You're a student, you use a pencil. I'm a teacher, I get to use a marker because I want you to see what I'm writing. Open up to the first blank page in your notebook. Then I want you to go to the very top and write your name. I'm going to write my name, Mrs. Takahashi. Perfect. Now, on the side of your page, you're going to write the entire alphabet. It would make sense if you skip a line between each letter because you're going to be drawing some pictures. So you want to have enough room to draw your picture. If you write your letters too close together, you won't have any space to color. Now, look, I ran out of space on the bottom of my page, so I'm just going to go to the middle of the middle of that same page, and I'm going to finish my alphabet right there. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. There we go. Now, your job is to draw a picture of something that makes the same beginning sound as each letter. So apple starts with A, and A starts with A. So I drew an apple. For B, it's B. I drew a ball. And I drew a cat for C. I want you to do that for every single letter. When you're done, take a picture, and you can turn it in on Class Dojo. Learning all of your letter sounds is just the very first step in learning how to read and how to write. Pretty soon we're going to be taking all of these letters and we're going to be putting them together and making big words, and you're going to be able to read everything. So practice really hard this week with your letter sounds, and then we'll be reading and writing before you know it. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.